It's gonna be huge. It's gonna be tremendous.
Today it's the final of the French Debating Association annual tournament, and for the first time in 5 years we got Sciences Po, because Sciences Po has a debating team in the final against Ecole Polytechnique. We have two teams, the government and the opposition, going at each other. It's fun, it's wild, and the motion for tonight at the debate is going to be this house believes that fools are running the show. So we have to be against that, and obviously by the current times, it will be interesting to see how the debate pans out.
When I heard this motion, I couldn't help thinking about my girl Beyonce. No, fools don't run the show, because who run the world?
The point is really to learn about rhetorics, how to speak in public. That's exactly why the class is called Debating Teams, the Art of Speech. So we have very different English levels. That's not a problem to me at all, and you should sign up if you only want to get better at public speaking.
The debate workshops kind of work around teaching us different techniques in rhetoric and oratory, and then a lot of it centers, of course, around French style debating. So what are the rules, what are the judges looking for, and therefore how to incorporate them into a speech in a way that feels natural. So rebuttals, asking questions, creating logics that either set a trap, if you were, for people to ask questions, and then of course all the preparation that goes behind it. It's competitive, but it's good fun, and the audience get to get involved as well, so you'll hear it. If the audience agrees with something, they'll shout hear, hear. If they disagree, they'll shout shame, and we try to incorporate that into the characters.
Since I wanted to get into politics too, debating is a really huge part of that. So I thought it was the best way to get started on knowing how to play with language. It teaches you to be really sure of your argument, even if in truth you're not. It gives you the tools to really appear as confident and to just find weaknesses also in your opponent's speech.
I definitely learned some communication skills, and I think it is very helpful in my curriculum at Sciences Po, but also outside, because knowing how to speak well, it's a major quality.
Sciences Po.